guys, I'm Pooja. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a very simple makeup routine, which is basically a skincare followed by makeup. Firstly I'm starting up with a moisturizer and I'm adding few drops of facial oil. So here I'm using rosehip seed oil. You can use any other facial oil which suits your skin. So I'll just apply the moisturizer to prep up my skin before any kind of makeup. And this is a very easy breezy makeup look that you can easily replicate if you want to attend any kind of functions or puja in the morning time or ethnic day at your office. This look is perfect for that. So once my skin is moisturized, I'm going ahead with the lip balm. I'm preferring any kind of lip balm which is non-tinted and which is also containing SPF in it. So once this is done, so let's start with the makeup routine. So here I'm starting up with a concealer, and since it's a no foundation look, we are not going to apply any kind of foundation all over the face. So I'm just using the concealer in the under eye portion and also around the nose and mouth area. If you have any dark spots in your cheek area or forehead, you can also apply there as well. So now it's time to blend. I'm here using a beauty blender to blend my concealer, but you can also use your finger to do the same thing. But in order to get a better result, I would suggest to use a brush, a kabuki brush or a beauty blender. So yeah, blend. To get a seamless look, you need to blend it very properly. So now I am applying the concealer over my eyelid before applying any kind of eyeshadow. So this is very important before applying the eyeshadow in order to get a uniform base and also to make the eyeshadow color pop out. Now the next step is BB cream. You can also skip this step if you don't want to apply BB cream, since we are not applying any foundation. So I'm just using a light to medium coverage BB cream. So yeah, you can skip this step, and again the technique is same, just blending it uniformly so that our face looks uniform. Now here I'm using some tinted yellow powder. You can use any tinted yellow powder or banana powder to set the eye, because this is important, because otherwise there is a chance that the concealer that we have already applied, that will crease. So in order to avoid that, I'm just setting that. Next I'm applying a compact powder. You can totally skip this step if you are having a dry skin. Otherwise, for oily combination and normal skin, this is a good step to do before moving ahead with the next makeup. I'm having a combination skin, so I'm just setting it up. Now that we are done with the base, I'm starting up with the eyebrow. Here I'm using a spoolie brush in order to brush my eyebrow upwards in order to see the gaps, and I'll just going to fill up those sparse areas with the eyebrow pencil. Not going to line the entire eyebrow since I have already a thick eyebrow. And then I'm just setting it up with the powdered pencil. The eyebrow comes with that. Now I'm moving ahead with the next step, which is very important, that is the eyeshadow part. And this is not very complicated. I'm just using a very simple technique. So the first, I'm just applying a transition shade, which is in the crease area. We need to apply. So if you notice, I'm just applying the transition shade in the crease area. And once that is done, I'll just apply a dark shade in the outer corner of the eye. So the thumb rule for applying any kind of eye makeup is dark to light. So we'll start with the dark shade from the outer corner and we'll move ahead to the inner corner with the lighter shade. So I'm just applying the dark shade, and then I used a blending brush to blend the entire thing, and then I'm applying the color which I want to apply. Mainly it should be the color of the dress, maybe with which I want to contrast, and I'm applying that particular color, which is a kind of a pinkish shade, and I applied a bit of glitter on the top of that. And now I'm using a little bit of highlighter to highlight my brow bone and the inner corner of the eye. Now I'm going to apply in the lower lash line. So here I'm using a flat thick brush to apply in the lower lash line. So we can use the same dark shade which we applied in the outer corner to apply in the lower lash line, and if we want to make it a bit advanced, we can also use the same color that we used in the center in the middle of the lower lash line. Here I'm just keeping it to basic, and I've just applied a dark shade in the lower lash line, and my other eye makeup is also done. So I'm just going ahead with the eyeliner. So you can use any kind of liner, a gel liner or a water eyeliner. I'm using a simple water eyeliner here. Now comes the most favorite part, which is my kajal. I can go out without using any kind of eye makeup which I have shown till now, but I cannot go without applying a kajal. So I'm using it in the lower waterline. If you want, you can also use it in the upper waterline. Now comes the blush. So I'm just going to choose a very light pinky shade. Don't apply in the circular motion, just dab it in upward strokes in order to give a very natural flushed cheeks. Now next step is the lip liner. So I'm using a peachy nude lip liner. Now the final step is lipstick, of course. So I'm using a liquid lipstick and it's a peach shade. So if you like this kind of video, please let me know in the comment section below, or if you want to know about any of the product in details or the tools that I have used like the brushes, do let me know in the comment. And voila, I'm ready. I hope you like this look and the dress with which I paired this up. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. This is Pooja signing off. Bye bye.